Okay, welcome back to the tech channel. Welcome back. Today we're unboxing the FREEWOLF wired Bluetooth wireless keyboard. I guess it's wireless, trust me. Anyway, let's get it started. I'm going to open it up. Now this keyboard has 75 keys, which is really nice, and the main reason I bought it is the RGB and the knob that it has over there. Just because I like to change the volume with a knob for once. Now you can see the unboxing experience is very nice. Here's the keyboard, nice and fresh, as you can see. Now I will not show you the keyboard on because I didn't have time to film it, but it has a very nice typing experience, to be honest. It feels quite different from a lot of keyboards I've used, mostly because I've used a lot of cheap mechanical keyboards. This one feels nice. The keys feel nice and firm but soft at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like an expensive keyboard for the price I paid. This is what it comes with also in the box. The USB-C to A cable so you can connect it to your computer. Those of you who have C, like the MacBooks and stuff, can connect wirelessly or get a C to C cable. Comes with new keycaps and the keycap remover. I will never use those most likely. Anyways, this is the manual that I will never read. I did not even bother unboxing it, but yeah. In terms of the keyboard, I would highly recommend it. I paid 799 Rand, but it was on discount from 1,600. That is around $80. This is an $80 keyboard, $80 to $100 keyboard, and it feels incredible. So go and get it for yourselves. Highly recommend. Thank you guys for watching.